It's hard. I want to hold it back.
I'm good. I can do it.
That's a sloth. That's so cute.
What is that? It's like a baby sloth?
Ah, it looks a lot like me. That's exactly how I look. Oh my God, Sloth. It's so cute.
Is that supposed to be cute?
This animal's creepy. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That was an adorable yawn. That was just adorable.
You just won a challenge.
Why? How did I win a challenge? Is this a do not laugh?
No.
Do not cringe?
No.
What is this? Because I bet I can win it.
Today, we are going to be doing a Try Not To Yawn challenge.
No wonder that video was so boring. Okay.
Oh, I'm winning this. Easy.
I don't know, considering I already have to yawn, especially because I woke up early today and I'm already tired.
We're going to show you videos of people yawning, and the challenge is to not yawn at any time, including when I do.
You're trying to make me yawn.
Every time you yawn, you lose, but we'll let you back into the challenge in the next video and see how many times you yawn.
Okay, that's easy. I don't yawn at all. You're not gonna make me yawn. That's me when school starts, though. Like, seriously.
Oh my gosh, this is making me tired.
I bet his jaw's gonna get stuck. Like, if he's yawning that long, he's pretty tired in class. He's so cute. I don't consider that yawning. That's more like squealing with your mouth open. Are you guys trying to, like, torture me?
It's not happening.
This is, like, more like a try not to be cute and out challenge.
Why are there so many babies yawning? Such a random thing to take a video of.
This doesn't want to make me yawn. I made it.
Are you tempted to yawn at all?
No.
Why not?
No!
Why not?
No! No. Oh, another sloth. Sloth in my life. Okay, this is gonna make me yawn.
I love sloths.
No! Oh, no. Oh, he's so cute. Ew, I can't even look at the insides of his mouth.
I'm feeling good.
Easiest challenge I've like ever done. Have anyone like lost this yet?
Your yawns are stupid.
This guy needs a better quality camera.
Okay, well, this guy's bad at making people yawn.
Next Instagram star right here, everybody.
I'm good at this. Wow, I'm doing like really good, surprisingly. Made it for 5 rounds.
Still holding it together?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a puppy. That's so cute. Is that a baby puppy? They're so cute. I'm good.
Still good. I can do it.
Why do people film themselves yawning? Can I just... No. Looks like they're like about to sneeze.
This is definitely the hardest out of all of them.
It's hard. I want to hold it back. Do you see how slow that is? That's probably the fakiest ever.
This one is the hardest.
This challenge is getting slightly harder than I thought.
It's like my first time ever gonna win like a challenge.
I'm good. I can do it.
She must have been really tired. Did I make it?
So we did this challenge because fans were requesting it all the time. And you, Jackson, are the last person we shot this episode with. So we can say for sure, for the first time ever in an FBE challenge, no one lost.
Exactly. Like, you should do this to like everyone else. Like the only like people that might actually yawn is like the elders.
You won!
I did?
Yeah!
Oh, I didn't yawn. Yay.
Woohoo! No X's, we're on my watch. Told ya! Ha! Ha! Simple trick. Just shut your lips. If you lost, that's okay because yawning is good for you, I think, right? Something like that.
So why was this challenge so easy, you think?
If you made me bored, I would yawn. I ate a jelly bean before I came in here. I was hyper enough.
I don't want to lose. I hate losing. So like, I had to win. So I'm like, I'm not gonna yawn.
Because a yawn is a call from your body. That's when it's a wake up call from your body when you're trying to get tired. It's hard to yawn when you're not tired.
That definitely did make me feel the urge to yawn. I mean, why is yawning so contagious? I have no idea. I'm not really that surprised. I mean, it's just a movement of someone's mouth. It gets more contagious when you see someone actually yawn in person. Can I yawn now?
Yeah. You're out.
Thanks so much for watching another episode of Kids React.
New shows every day. Subscribe. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, Ethan here from FBE. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Kids React. And as you can see, this challenge didn't go the way we thought. None of the kids yawned. What do you think? Do we pick the wrong videos? Should we try a different challenge with them? You gotta let us know in the comments what you want to see next.